parking spot because they was finna tow them motherfuckers.
I already know.
I know.
Oh, y'all gave it to us?
Yeah.
No, we appreciate it.
Hey, Chuck, I understand why y'all do it because I can ride too.
No, for sure. You get it. You got it. Yeah.
But up here, they strict on shit.
Nah, when I say I'm like always the last one to get ready, I'm like always the last one to get ready. I don't even need this, but I'm gonna just buckle it up, just to buckle it up. We just finished eating at the Great Greek Mediterranean Grill out here in, where are we? What's the name of this place? The Colony? Yeah. We over here by Grandscapes. So, if you know where that's at, you know where that's at. But yeah, we are going on some side quests. I just be doing shit, bro. I just be doing shit. I don't know. Damn. I gotta take out my wallet. Because this thing doesn't have tap to pay. That was cute. That was cute. You won't give me twice. You won't give me twice. That was a hop. That wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. Yeah, yours like smacks. Just gotta. Right here? Hey. You gonna love, huh? What? What? Hmm?
I said, you listen well. Good content, I guess.
Fuck it.
Temporary.
Alright, I gotta record trading the keys.
Oh shit. I gotta get mine out the bike.
Your pelvic thrust. Yeah.
Oh, that's my kid right there.
Gracias. Gracias. I don't know which key is this one.
Don't burn out. No resin, okay? Hey, I think I need to do half of that.
Oh, say less. I got me a new bike. I got me a new bike. can't fucking put it in neutral. Fuck it.
What?
That's like, yeah. Nigga, why the fuck you didn't tell me you had GP shift?
I forgot. Because I was sitting there like, I meant to tell him it's a GP shit because I'm sitting here and I'm steady hitting down and it's not doing anything. I'm like, oh, freak.
I was doing the opposite. I said, what the fuck going on?
Literally. I was like, that would have fucked me up too.
That shit threw me all the way
I
off.
was like, oh, I standard. Like, I was picking up.
That shit was different for sure.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'm sitting here because I'm stuck at the fact that. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. I'm stuck with the fact that I'm sitting in the seat. Like, on the R1, you're not in the seat, dude.
You was sucked into the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the seat is comfortable, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's better than mine. I know that.
So it wasn't that bad. I liked it. It's way more nimble. Like, I can move.
Yeah.
I just had to get used to the GP shifting. And then, like, your throttle was a lot more sensitive than mine.
Yeah.
So, like, I was hitting it and it was just, like, instantly.
Yeah.
I could feel the torque.
And that's what's getting me, because I know on the clutch with the R1, like, you got to rev it higher before you can let it go. And
Yeah.
this one, I'm sitting here trying to do that. That's why I was making all that noise. I'm like, oh, crap.
Yeah, yo, I was like, damn.
We got a whole game.
Nah, for sure.
We're so used to the R1. That's crazy. Okay, that's different, though. Knock that off the list.
The shit show.
Yeah, no, that's different. I like it.
Don't rock it, please.
Yeah, for sure, please go. I'm
We ended up in.
heights.
Hey, end up doing a 360 in this bitch.
I'm fucking dead.
You know we already at maximum capacity.
Man, for sure.
Man, I'm like, how much weight this hoe? How much you weigh?
That's a great question because I'm wondering the same thing.
So we like good 400 pounds.
Man,
I know.
Look what I made them do, y'all.
pure insanity. My ass scared of heights and I still be
You
getting
scared
on.
of heights?
Hell yeah, and I still be getting on these hoes.
No, for real. Make the motherfucker. We better go around more than once.
You selling drugs over there?
I
That's
got
not
one
bad,
in
house.
me.
You hate
Yeah,
something
no, I
bad.
got one in me.
And y'all want to take us to Miami? Y'all want us to go to Miami?
Bro, we're
This
gonna
what we
act a
getting
fool.
into?
They want us to
This
go
what
to
we-
Miami, precisely.
This what we getting into out here at home. Y'all want to take us to another state?
What's today? It's a random Sunday.
A random Sunday. We ended up on a Ferris wheel in like sporting goods store.
That's precisely what's happening right now.
When the unemployed friends sing. And we recorded all types of shit.
Oh, this whole movie. Wait a minute. Oh, brother.
Oh, they rocking.
Nah, I need this jump to slow down.
No rocking now.
You gotta slow down just a little bit. Please. Oh, nah, gang. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Stop it right here.
What is the weight limit on this?
That's what I'm saying. Keep going.
I'm gonna buy a kayak.
Yeah. You gotta
That's
let me
just
off
so
after
fun.
this for sure.
This is what I'm using the last bit of my percentage for. My battery.
I need a smoke break.
I just need to get down successfully.
Literally, put me back on the ground.
Yeah, this is higher than I thought.
It is. Precisely.
Like from the first floor.
Precisely.
Let's look at this floor. This is.
Yeah, we a little high for the second floor. Let alone the first. How you say it? Shells? Shells. And we got a warning that we about to get towed because we parked right here. No great adventure is complete without obstacles. So.
Bye.
But yeah.
I'm not happy with you right now.
Oh no, we're gonna take this off. Yes, sir.
I'm just fine. Bye. I'm just playing. I'll talk to you later. Hey, park here.
Y'all better put them in the parking spot because we was finna tow them motherfuckers.
I already know.
I know.
Oh, y'all gave it to us?
Yeah. I know.
Nah, we appreciate it.
Hey, so I understand why y'all do it because I
Yeah.
can ride too.
Nah, for sure. You get it. You got it. Yeah.
But up here, they strict on shit.
Nah, we good. We appreciate it, y'all though.
Let's find a spot. We don't care if y'all put all three of them in one spot. Just don't park up here.
Gotcha.
All right, y'all.